We have a very tragic story today on No Cap News. Carl Wheezer has died. It's currently being reported that now former best friend, Sheen Estevez, may have been the man behind the tragedy. Because late last night, Sheen Estevez was caught putting a, quote, secret sauce inside of Carl Wheezer's croissant. Carl would go on to eat this as a midnight snack, but little did he know that there was 400 milliliters of hydrochloric acid and cyanide in his croissant. In response to the tragic events, U.S. President Joe Biden would write this on Twitter. Our thoughts and prayers are with Carl and the rest of the Wheezer family on this horrid day for our society. Hashtag RIP Carl. Hashtag one last croissant. He would then attach this photo to his tweet, writing, quote, the hood lost a real one today. RIP Carl.